and nutrition during pandemic for students,
This
staff,
call is
and
now being
parents.
recorded.
So, diet during pandemic, we require a healthy diet. जैसा कि आपको पता है अभी कोविड-19 चल रहा है बच्चों और उसमें क्या डाइट लेनी चाहिए सो दैट आवर इम्यून सिस्टम becomes strong. So as far as diet is concerned, you should eat a food which contain calcium, potassium, fibers, magnesium, vitamin A, C, E, and whole grains such as wheat, maize, rice, legumes. Eat lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Eat plenty of water, and well balanced diet should be maintained for healthy immune system. ड्यूरिंग पैंडेमिक जिसमें आप ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स ले सकते हैं, सीजनल फ्रूट ले सकते हैं, and avoid sugar and salt to lower the risk of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and certain other type of cancer. And do not eat vegetables and fruits. कभी भी जब आप वेजिटेबल्स या फ्रूट खाते हैं तो उसको आपको पका के नहीं खाना है। ठीक है, वेजिटेबल्स को भी ओवर कुक नहीं करना है बिकॉज इट डिस्ट्रॉय लॉट ऑफ विटामिन ड्यूरिंग द ओवरहीटिंग। ठीक है, so you must eat all these for a healthy immune system. तो जो आपका इम्यून सिस्टम है वो बेटर काम कर करेगा जब आप हेल्दी डाइट लेंगे। एंड अवॉइड द पार्टीज एंड मैरिजेज ड्यूरिंग द कोविड, क्योंकि वहाँ पे डिस्टेंस मेंटेन नहीं हो पाता। तो यू मस्ट अवॉइड द पार्टीज एंड मैरिजेज एज फार एज पॉसिबल। ठीक है, तो अच्छे इम्यून सिस्टम के लिए आपको बहुत से न्यूट्रिएंट्स की जरूरत पड़ती है, जिसमें जिंक, विटामिन ए, B6, विटामिन B12, ठीक है, फाइबर्स, मैग्नीशियम एक्सेट्रा। So eat healthy food for better immune system to fight against the COVID-19 so that we can be healthy during these pandemic. Now, thank you and over to Neha madam.
Thank you, sir. So we have gathered here on this online platform on behalf of KV number 1 AFS Sirsa in order to discuss about the diet and nutrition that should be taken during COVID-19 pandemic. We all know that it's almost been an year right now. For now, it's been an year कि ये कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक स्टार्ट हुआ, मार्च से हम लोगों का लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हो गया था. So it's over 10 months now. We are going towards a new year, that is 2021. But we need to follow some diet pattern in order to curb the disease that is COVID-19. Although vaccines are not available, vaccines abhi available nahi hai, but a healthy diet can help us to overcome this disease. So today we have some students who would like to enlighten us upon this important topic, that what type of nutrition and diet we should follow in order to avoid this COVID-19 disease. So first of all, let us invite Ekta from class 11th B. She would like to share her thoughts with us. So Ekta, you can switch on your mic and camera also.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ekta from class 11 science. Today I am discussing on the topic about diet during pandemic COVID-19. So the first point is eat fresh and unprocessed food every day. Eat fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts and whole grains. Whole grains contain brown pasta, brown rice, pulses, etc. Second point is drink enough water every day. Drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water every day. Third point is eat moderate amount of fat and oil. Avoid processed meat because they are high in fat and salt. The fourth point is eat less salt and sugar. Avoid food that are high in salt and sugar. Choose fresh food instead of sweet snacks such as cookies, cakes and chocolates. Sixth point is avoid eat junk food. it at home to reduce your rate of contact with other people and lower your chance of being exposed to COVID-19. Seventh point is counseling and psychosocial support. People living with chronic illness who have suspected or confirmed COVID-19 may need support with their mental health and diet to ensure they keep in good health. Seek counseling and psychosocial support from appropriately trained healthcare professionals and also community based lay and peer counselors. There is currently no evidence that people can catch COVID 19 from including fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a part of healthy diet and their consumption should be encouraged. Eat 2 cups of fruits and 2.5 cups of vegetables daily and 180 gram of pulses every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ekta, for sharing such information, because this is necessary for today's time, that we should know what we should eat and what we should avoid. Okay, so now let's welcome Mahi from class 8th A to
Good
share a
afternoon,
view.
ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mahi Goet from class 8th A, and I am here to talk with you that how we can maintain a healthy diet during COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus, and its most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. And its very serious symptoms are shortness of breath, chest pain, loss of speech, and movement. Maintain a healthy diet during COVID-19 pandemic. Eating the right kinds of food in the right amount is very crucial for our health. COVID-19 pandemic has changed a lot in the daily lives of people. During these difficult times, it has become essential to maintain a healthy life. While no foods or dietary supplements can prevent COVID 19, but by maintaining a healthy diet, we can keep our immune system strong for fighting the disease. A very important tip for maintaining a healthy diet is to eat a variety of food. Every day, eat a combination of food that contains whole grains such as wheat, maize, and rice, fruits and vegetables, and some foods from animal sources such as meat, fish, eggs, and milk. And also use less salt during cooking and preparing food, and use iodized salt. Check the labels on the food and choose the products with lower sodium content. The main thing is that alcohol is not a part of a healthy diet. Drinking alcohol does not protect against COVID 19, and it can be dangerous. There is no safe level for the consumption of alcohol. So, at last, I want to say stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mai, for your views. And we should follow these, as well as we should help others also in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Okay, now let's welcome Tisha from class 7B. She would like to share her thoughts regarding diet and nutrition during COVID-19 pandemic. Tisha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a very good morning to Neha, ma'am, and to Naveen. Our food should be our medicine, and our medicine should be our food. A very good afternoon to everyone. I am Tisha of class MD is going to tell you some nutritions that we should take in this pandemic. I hope you all will be and be well during this pandemic. We all know that in this pandemic corona, we have to be safe and we must protect others as well. Everyone knows that due to this epidemic, we have to take care of our health and we have to fill ourselves with entire nutrition and have to get more immunity to fight against this situation. So, every day is a combination of different foods, including whole grains such as wheat, maize, rice, and millet. Like lentils and beans, and fruit and vegetables. And some foods, small sources like meat, eggs, and milk. Eat a variety of fruit and vegetables. Salt intake to less than 5 grams per day. Eat moderate amounts of healthy fats and oils. Take limited sugar and sweetened food. Drink enough water and stay hydrated. These are the some diet foods that can help us to stay fit. A balanced diet can extremely help you to stay greatly fit. So, exercising regularly, not smoking, and minimize the stress. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you so much, Tisha, for these valuable tips. We would surely like to follow these. Now, let us welcome Shubham from 7B. Shubham.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I Shubham of class 7B is in front of you to talk about diet and nutrition that should be taken during COVID-19 pandemic. Diet is an important part of our life. Taking a healthy diet not only makes us healthy but also improves our immune system. As as discussed earlier, we are suffering from COVID-19 and we are suffering from COVID-19 and there should be a diet and nutrition might become an important issue for what should be eaten and what should not be eaten and what should be eaten to remain healthy and unaffected from the virus. And much more questions come to our mind. As earlier told that COVID-19 is a respiratory disease that affects our respiratory system and weakens the immune system. No food or no dietary supplements can prevent it. But by taking a healthy diet, we can make our immune system strong for fighting the disease. So for maintaining a healthy diet, we should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, intake less amount of salt, eat moderate amount of oil and fats, much sugar should be avoided, and we should drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. Apart from this, the proper hygiene should be done, and food from outside should be avoided. So be careful and take a healthy diet. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shubham. We would like to take on further, and I would like to invite Lakshmi from 7B, class 7B, in order to share her thoughts regarding this topic. Yes, Lakshmi.
Good afternoon to all of you who are present here in this meeting. Today, I will tell you some disadvantages about COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the economic breakdown expected in most of the countries will probably involve the national health systems, especially pediatric departments units not involved in emergency and infectious diseases, limiting the experience, progresses, and even the simple management of many genetic, congenital, and chronic disorders with severe social effects, especially for children. The effect of the COVID-19 pandemic on mental health is bereavement, isolation, loss of income, and fear are triggering mental health conditions or exhibiting existing ones. Many people may be facing increased level of alcohol and drugs use, insomnia and anxiety. We should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed food every day to get the vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, proteins, and antioxidants your body needs. Drink enough water, eat fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains, and food from the animal sources also. For snacks, we have to choose raw vegetables and fresh fruits rather than the food that are high in sugar, fats, or salt. Now, I have told you some disadvantages about the COVID-19 and something that we should eat during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you to everyone to paying attention and interest in my speech. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Now, I would like to invite Arush from class 7B to share his thoughts regarding this diet and nutrition. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, I am presenting my screen, so please pin me there.
आपका माइक ऑफ है
Arush, switch on your mic.
Good afternoon, respected sir and ma'am. My name is Arush Aditya from class 7B. I am here to share my points on the topic diet and nutrition during COVID-19 pandemic. A healthy diet and balanced diet helps maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet and balanced diet is very essential for our body. It provides nutrition to our body. Without balanced diet, our body is more prone to diseases, infection, fatigue, and low performances. Children who don't get enough food may face growth and development problems. A healthy and balanced diet is very important for being fit, and fitness is very important to fight with COVID 19. We should follow diet regularly during COVID 19 pandemic. It will make our immune system more stronger. We should eat food rich in vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, protein, and antioxidants. We should drink enough water. We should eat fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, and food items from animal resources. We should eat raw vegetables and fruits for snack instead of salt, sugar, and eat rich food. Avoid soft drink and sodas. Limit the amount of high sodium condiments such as soy sauce or fish sauce. Eat food rich in zinc, iron, vitamin C, and vitamin E. At last, I would say by following diet, we can increase our immunity. In lockdown, we are not able to go outside our houses and go to gyms, parks, etc. So our body's digestive system doesn't work properly. And for this, diet is very essential and important. Diet shouldn't be an obligation, it should be a habit. I can just suggest, but adaptation is work of individuals. And at last, I would say that if we are healthy, then only we can live. This is proved in COVID-19 period. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Thank you so much, Arush, and thank you for sharing such valuable information. So we all know that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Unless and until our body is healthy, we cannot perform any task with full efficiency. अगर हमें अपनी एफिशिएंसी पूरी तरह से यूटिलाइज करनी है, अगर हमें अपनी पूरी स्ट्रेंथ लगानी है किसी चीज में, सो वी नीड टू बी हेल्दी, एंड फॉर अ हेल्दी बॉडी वी नीड टू हैव a healthy immune system. Okay, we all know that kitchen is a source of food for us. हमारा जो किचन है हमारे लिए खाने का सोर्स है, but you might be aware that kitchen is also a source of strong immunity. किचन स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यूनिटी का भी सोर्स है. हमारे किचन में छोटी छोटी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द स्पाइसेस दैट वी डेली यूज इन आवर फूड आइटम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से हम यूज करते हैं, हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जीरा, जो हम यूज करते हैं, क्यूमिन सीड्स जो होते हैं, दीज आर वेरी इफेक्टिव टू बिल्ड आवर इम्यूनिटी. Moreover, हमारे किचन में वी हैव मेनी आइटम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिंपल सी चीज है हल्दी, टर्मरिक. वी ऑल नो टर्मरिक जो है ये बहुत इफेक्टिव चीज है. इफ वी गेट अ कट ऑल्सो वी अप्लाई टर्मरिक ओवर देयर इन ऑर्डर टू स्टॉप द ब्लड फ्लो. लेकिन अगर हम टर्मरिक को अलॉन्ग विद milk, if we consume turmeric along with milk, especially that raw turmeric, not the powdered one, but the raw turmeric, जो कच्ची हल्दी आती है, अगर उसको हम regularly, if we intake it with the milk, it will help to boost our immune system. Nowadays, winter season is there, and we get a lot of amla, that is gooseberry, in the market. आंवला जो होता है ये विंटर सीजन में काफी आता है, एंड राइट नाउ वी आर इन दैट सीजन ओनली. It is a rich source of vitamin C, and vitamin C is very important nutrient. Basically, it is very important vitamin in order to boost our immune system. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits also, for example, oranges. Amla is a very rich source of that vitamin. So we all should intake it in any form. We can take it raw, आप आंवला कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं, बट बिकॉज इट इज वेरी सावर, खट्टा होता है, तो मेनी पीपल अवॉइड इट. सो वी कैन टेक, नाउ डेज इन मार्केट्स आंवला कैंडीज आर अवेलेबल, so we can take that. इसके अलावा we have many vegetables, leafy vegetables. Right now the season is very correct for green leafy vegetables, so we can we can increase the uptake of those vegetables, because as everybody said, right now we require a lot of vitamins and minerals in our body in order to fight against the diseases, especially COVID-19. See, vaccines kab available hongi, we don't know. We don't know when the vaccines will be available, but taking a healthy diet will help us to improve our immune system so that we can fight against it. India may, you must have heard that there are many casualties regarding this COVID-19, due to this COVID-19, but there are many people who have recovered perfectly from this. It is not necessary that if somebody acquires this disease, then definitely it will lead to death. No, it might lead to death, but if proper care is taken, if proper care is done in the initial days, and the immune system of the person is proper, then it might be possible that the person will survive this disease. क्योंकि ये जो डिजीज है, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी आया है and then it will vanish, खत्म हो जाएगा. It is possible that it will remain in our population. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव सर्टेन डिजीजेस जो पहले नहीं थे, बाद में, जैसे डेंगू है, मलेरिया है, ऑल दीज वर फेटल. ये पहले बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान करते थे, अब क्योंकि वी हैव प्रॉपर मेडिकेशंस फॉर दीज डिजीजेस, तो इसलिए हम इनको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. सो COVID-19 डिजीज है, विच इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू कोरोना वायरस, it will definitely stay in the population, but our healthy diet will definitely help us in order to reduce its ill effects. So I hope you all will follow these diets and will help your friends, relatives, and neighbors in order to follow this. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Verma sir, over to you.
Thank you, madam, for giving a valuable guidance about this COVID-19 and diet. और बच्चों, आप लोगों को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा लेक्चर दिया, सभी बच्चों ने. और हमें ये उम्मीद है कि आप सभी लोग हेल्दी रहेंगे इसमें ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक, और एक अच्छा हेल्दी फूड लेंगे. जब ऐसा मैडम ने बताया, अभी जो कि लोकल जो हम ले सकते हैं वो जरूर इनटेक करें. जैसे अभी कच्ची हल्दी है, उसको आप दूध में डाल के पिए, वो बहुत अच्छा एक इम्यून सिस्टम में काम करती है. आंवला है, विटामिन सी का रिच सोर्स है, ठीक है, उससे आपको सर्दी जुकाम भी नहीं होता है. तो आप लोकल चीज़ें भी ले सकते हैं और अच्छी डाइट लेके इससे हम बच सकते हैं. Madam, thank you, madam. Another.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you all the students for joining and for listening all these tips. Thank you so much.
Thank you.